Yes, Michelina's mac and cheese. Don't you dare, do not hit the end button. Yes, I said it, Michelina's mac and cheese. Can be purchased from Walmart in the frozen section, okay? All right, so let's get started. First, we want to add 1 cup of whole milk. Okay, yep, that's 1. To add our cheese, and the cheese that makes our mac and cheese famous is the Sargento cheese blend. It is the double cheddar that has shredded natural sharp and mild cheddar cheese. And we're just going to add just 1 bag of the Sargento cheese here. And we're going to stir around. Give it a stir. Okay, give it a good stir. And now we're going to turn up our heat just a little bit here. And if you have like a double burner such as what I have here, you can turn it up to 5. I wouldn't recommend on max because we don't want the cheese sauce to burn. Okay, so we're giving it a stir there. And our cheese is starting to melt, as we can see there. Okay, all right. Okay, and we'll just place the spoon there, and we'll go ahead and start opening up our mac and cheese. And as you can see, looks delicious. And I have eaten Michelina's mac and cheese just as is, and it is delicious. Okay. And right now we have our heat on 3. And let's put that there. We can get in the box here. That will help. Now we're going to reduce our heat over here to 3 as well. And we're just dumping the mac and cheese over in the pot. And I tell you, this here is going to be a mac and cheese that you're going to be proud of to take to your next family gathering. Starting to smell good already. Okay, I have 4 boxes of the mac and cheese because of the number of people that I will be serving. Actually for Father's Day. So hopefully we will make our fathers proud. Okay, so now what we want to do is add maybe half of the milk here. And we're going to reduce our heat down to 2 there, and let's stir this here around. As you can see here, it's melting really good. Look at that. Oh goodness. Okay, and now we will spread the love and stir our mac and cheese around. Not sure if you're able to see that there. We're going to stir it around. Okay. Now we're going to bring up our heat a little bit more on 5. So now what we're going to do is, it's time to add our cheese sauce. And we're just going to pour that over. And we don't need that much cheese sauce because again, the mac and cheese is already rich. And I tell you this here, it looks delicious. It looks delicious. Okay. Just stir that around. Okay, and I'll show you here what it looks like here. See that? Look at that creaminess there. Look how creamy that is with just one bag of Sargento cheese. That's the reason why I recommend this Sargento cheese there. Okay, and we're almost done. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Okay. So what we would do now, really don't have much room here. We'll move that to the side. Now, for those of you who may be a little embarrassed about taking an aluminum pan, you know, to your family gathering, I bought this nice little container from Walmart, something that kind of, it hides the aluminum pan and makes your dish that you're bringing, make it look presentable. So this is a nice little doohickey here that I bought from Walmart. Okay, so, and we're going to remove the aluminum pan from this container here. And what I'm going to do is, and I know I have not forgot about our salt and our pepper. And we're going to move this around here so that you will be able to see exactly what we're doing here. We'll shift here. Okay, and I've already rinsed the pan, so it's ready. And here we will pour our mac and cheese over in our pan. Just look at that. Okay, and we'll just set that pot there. And now we can turn off our burner here. Okay, and we'll just shake it and just look at that. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look rich? Doesn't it look famous already? All right, so we just have a few more steps here. We're just gonna add a pinch of black pepper here, just according to your taste, and just a pinch of salt, because we know that cheese has a lot of sometimes salt, sodium in it, so we don't want to overpower the mac and cheese with too much salt. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to give it another stir. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, kind of looks like KFC mac and cheese, doesn't it? Yes. Okay, so now we will take our second bag of Sargento cheese and we will add it to the top of the mac and cheese here. Oh, doesn't that look good? Yeah. And another secret too is to, when you purchase your cheese, you want to leave the cheese out right before you begin making your mac and cheese, so that it won't be cold and it'll kind of be room temperature. It makes it melt well, and it also reduces time as it relates to finishing up with the cooking, the baking of the mac and cheese. So that looks good. Now, if you want to add a little bit more black pepper on top, you may, but I choose not to. You guys, you have it. We're going to place the mac and cheese in the oven. So again, thank you so much for watching. Just remember that a sharing heart is a caring heart. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.